Today, I want to give you 3 skilled strategies to use right away so you can finally stop feeling overlooked. Have you ever felt like you're constantly putting in effort, but somehow your contributions just aren't getting the recognition they deserve? You're not alone. As midlife women, many of us struggle with being overlooked. And it's not because we lack talent or because we're not doing the hard work. It's often because we're missing out on a few key strategies that can make all the difference. One common pitfall is not speaking up. We have lots of great ideas and we hesitate to share them, fearing criticism or rejection. Another pitfall is lacking confidence. When we don't believe in ourselves, it's hard for others to believe in us too. These pitfalls can be especially damaging in the workplace where a recognition can directly impact our careers and opportunities. The good news is there are concrete steps we can take to change this dynamic. So what can you do? First strategy, practice the art of self-advocacy. This means being your own biggest cheerleader and speaking up about your accomplishments. For example, after completing a project, take a moment to share your success with your team or your manager. Second strategy, master the spotlight by taking control of how you are perceived. This can mean updating your professional profiles, creating a personal website, or simply being more mindful of how you present yourself in meetings and conversations. Third strategy, focus on strategic networking. Instead of trying to meet as many people as possible, focus on building meaningful relationships with people who can help you grow, and vice versa. The real game changer comes when you shift your perspective from waiting quietly to be noticed to actively shaping how others perceive you. This means taking ownership of your value and being proactive about sharing it with the world. This shift in perspective can be incredibly empowering. When you start to see yourself as the architect of your own recognition, you begin to realize that it is within your control. You're no longer at the mercy of others. You're the one driving the conversation. This transformative insight can be the key to unlocking your full potential. When you believe in yourself and your worth, you are unstoppable. Being overlooked doesn't have to be a permanent state. If you've ever had a moment where you felt overlooked, share it with me in the comments below. And if you're looking for more tips on professional growth and self-improvement, be sure to subscribe. And just so you know, all of these strategies work in your personal life as well, not just at work. Take care now. Bye-bye.